Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Bali, Indonesia. It is unbelievably 7 a.m. in the morning. Don't know why I wake up so early. For me, it's early. And maybe you noticed over the last couple of days that I didn't wear any glasses anymore. And that's not because my eyes suddenly heal themselves like magically, which would be, of course, super great. But what happened was, I don't know. I woke up. My glasses was on the floor. I stepped on them. They broke completely. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna check out where I can get new glasses. Wait, the sun is like, I can't see. Better? I guess so. So we're gonna go checking out where I can get new glasses. Maybe let them repair if that's possible, but I'm not sure because like the sides break, so I don't know if they can repair it or get new ones. I don't know. Let's try it out. And in the meantime, need to figure out where to get one. So we'll just go that way and look if we can find anybody in Bali who can fix glasses for us. Let's go. So guys, we are here at, what's the name? Wendy Optical. Let's check if they can fix my glasses or if we need a new one, right? So that's the place. Let's go, Saya. What? I have to speak. Yeah, of course. First need to take the key and then I'm asking. That looks good. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Very good. I have a question. I don't know if you can help me. Is it possible to fix this? I step on it. Not really, no? I need to have new things completely, no?
Oh, this is broke, yeah?
Yeah, I step on it. Very stupid.
It will be soldered like this, my friend, but I don't know if it's metal or titanium.
Okay.
But I will try to fix them.
Can?
I will try.
Okay.
But what is the material? Is titanium or metal?
No.
You don't know?
I don't know, no.
I try to fix it,
Yeah?
but I'm not sure for.
Okay.
But it will be if the solder
Yeah?
in the arm, the color it will be,
Different. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's no problem. It's
no
just,
problem.
I just wear it at home, I don't wear outside.
Oh,
I wear
okay.
contact lens, right? But now I'm at home, cannot see, blind.
Okay.
Yeah, is it possible?
I try to fix.
Okay.
And tomorrow you can come back if they be ready or not. Yeah.
Okay,
Alright.
yeah? Oh, awesome. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Do you have an idea how much it might be, or?
It's 150.
About 150. Okay.
150,000 rupiah.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you so much.
All good.
Yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, didn't thought that would work. I thought you would say you have to buy a new one. So that would be a short luck then, huh? Yeah, guys. So let's jump to tomorrow, I would say, right? To see what happened. So guys, next day, same outfit. Let's go check out if my glasses are fixed or if I need new ones, or I don't know, because honestly I don't think it's possible to fix, but if the guy like you saw before says it can be fixable, then let's try it. I mean, who knows? No doubts. Jump to there, bye. Oh, here's nice.
Yeah.
You found something, yeah?
Let's check, please.
Oh, nice. Thank you so much. Oh, wow. Amazing. How do you fix this?
Yeah.
Oh,
solder.
yeah. Wow. Thank you so much. That's really cool.
Yeah, it's not look like.
Yeah, it's the
Oh,
same
it's
one.
look like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is the same one.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he fixed it. Really nice. Yeah, it's good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Awesome.
You would wear it already, right?
No, I have contact lens inside. Can't wear. Maybe I can put back inside. Thank you so much. How much do you get, boss?
It's 150.
150. Very cool.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
That moment I don't. Ada uang kecil?
Nggak ada.
Oh, can I change?
Oh, thank you so much.
Bentar, Bu.
Tiffany and Co. Maybe I should make some sunglasses here next time. But I'm super impressed that he fixed it because it was really like it broke off, right? It was nothing. So he somehow connected them again. It was amazing. Really impressed that you could fix. Oh, it's okay. Then keep. It's
Huh?
all good. All good. It's okay. Keep.
It's okay?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
sure?
I come maybe next month. I come make sunglasses. You give me
Okay.
discount, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much,
No
man.
worries, Asik deh ya.
You make sunglasses, right? With
Sunglasses,
strengths?
yeah.
Okay. I come soon and make
Next
some
time,
sunglasses,
yeah?
yeah.
Yeah.
And then you give me good price, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hey, not now, eh? Later, later. Aduh, cantik. Now you want to sell there. Hey. Thank you so much, yeah? Thank you.
Yeah,
It's really, really great that you could
Yeah,
fix.
yeah, yeah. That's important.
Yeah, I thought already I have to buy new one.
Yeah.
But that you fixed really amazing. Let's put inside, yeah? Okay. See you next time, ya. Makasih.
Tinggal di mana?
Di sini di
Purwakarta.
Bukan, yeah, very close. Bye bye.
Okay, friend, thank you.
Bye. Makasih. So friendly. This way? Oh yeah, we need to go get some laundry. Ow! I mean, it's a quarter 50, but on the other hand, it's what, 3 euros, right? I mean, come on. It's okay, right? Honestly, I really thought that he cannot fix it. I thought because it's really broke, right? It's not that something was missing; it was really broke, right? So that's why I'm already surprised that he fixed it. Because that glasses was expensive, eh? Aduh, cars here like to drive this on the road. They don't care if you're coming or not. So now, guys, since this video is cut short now because amazingly Indonesia can fix those glasses. In Germany, I don't think they would have done that. In Germany, if you don't have the insurance for that, they would just told you to buy new ones. So really surprised about that. Yeah, what are we doing the rest of the day? We are going picking up laundry now. So let's meet the laundry girls, right? Yes. Oh, here already. Aduh, this is panas. Hello. What's that? Oh, you make trick now, no? Yeah, that's advanced trick. Put something on your bike if the sun is so hot. Oh, apa kabar? Very good. Thank you. Like in Japanese manga, no?
mau ke Sydney. Mau ke Sydney.
Sydney? Who goes to Sydney? I don't go to Sydney. You go to Sydney? Apa kabar? Baik. How are you? Yeah? Very good.
Bersih nggak ya?
How is New Year? 2023. It's good? No? Tidak mengerti, no? What I'm saying. Yeah. Ya? Aduh, bagus. Bagus.
Mau pakai tas lain aja.
Kau juga taruhnya berandul-berundul gitu. Nih.
Johanna, amateur, eh?
Kan customer.
Arrogant customer. Bule.
Terus bayar.
You bule.
Tena.
My girlfriend just take over the laundry somehow. Customer come and she just start talking with them like he's working here. Super funny. Let's look.
Behind here, selling villa.
Ya, kamu kerja di sini?
Iya.
Ya, masa?
Jalan sudah.
Ya. Kamu
Kayak
mau?
jalan, saya.
You can stay here.
Tidak mau.
Kenapa? Dah. Dah. Ya. What? Is that wrong? Can you say dadah?
Kamu solo kali ya?
Johanna tidak suka saya bicara. Okay guys. Spider-Man, you saw? Okay guys.
Dah guys.
Oh, kamu boleh dah guys.
Belum bayar. I didn't pay. Terus kenapa kalian tidak halal?
Hey.
Lihat kenyataan.
Johanna wants to steal already, ya? Makasih. Almost. Why you didn't even say something? We would have got for free. We would have got it for free. But Johanna, so you basically, is that the real price or do we pay the real price or do we get special price? Because you told that guy 25,000 per kilo, right? For us only 10,000, yeah, that's the Bule foreigner local prices. No, not scam, it's just, I mean, it's still just 2 euros for 1 kilo, not even $2 per kilo. That's still very cheap. And yeah, that's what it is, guys. So what a good day. We got 10 kilo laundry, we got new glasses, and yeah, all good as far as it seems. So have a nice, wonderful day. This was a short one just to see the incredible skills of Indonesian hand workers. Yeah, have a great day, guys. Bye. And don't forget, nah? Exactly. Bye bye.